In this video, you will learn how to add a new subcontractor. Just go to skillsignal.com and click login and type in your mobile number and your PIN like this, and then click login. Once you are logged in and on the main interface or the main dashboard, click on subs and clients. And before adding a subcontractor, you should have all the information of the subcontractor ready on hand. You need the name of the subcontractor, the address of the subcontractor, their phone number, an email address if you have it, if you can procure it, and a contact person if available. Now, adding a subcontractor is a per project basis, so you have to select which project you want to add a subcontractor in. Click one of the projects that you're assigned to, and before you add a subcontractor, we highly recommend that you first search for the name of the subcontractor or the phone number of the subcontractor to make sure that they are not already in the database and to avoid duplication. There are two ways to search for a subcontractor. One is here on the search bar on the main interface of the subs and clients tile. This will be searching information within your database within the company. Okay, that means that you will search all the other projects that you have for the company, and it will determine if you have worked with a subcontractor before or not. So let's try right way demolition. So in this case, right way demolition, it is indicated that right way demolition has not been part of any of the projects for this specific company. That doesn't mean that right way is not in the skill signal database. We have a huge database of subcontractors. So another way to make sure that this particular contractor or subcontractor is on the database is by clicking on add more and then click here on select sub. And what this will do is this is another search bar, and what this will do is search the whole database of skill signal. So let's try looking for right way demolition. And as you can see, right way demolition is already in the system. So no need for you to add or create a new subcontractor. Just click on right way demolition and all the information for right way demolition will be added, including all the workers that is associated with right way demolition. You don't have to select or click all of these unless you get a specific list from right way of who the workers will be. That is part of the team that will be working on your project. Otherwise, just click on add, and this subcontractor right way demolition will be automatically part of the AZ site or the project that you've searched earlier, that you've indicated earlier. If in the instance that the subcontractor that you're looking for is not part of the skill signal database, what you need to do is click on create new subcontractor, and like what I mentioned earlier, you need to have a contact person. This is what it is. If you don't have it, just put unknown. Same with the last name. And what's important is the name of the employer or the subcontractor. Let's add one. Let's say RL Lau is one subcontractor. You need to have a phone number for them and an email address. If you don't have an actual email address for the subcontractor, you can use noemail@test.com. And then important, another required section is the address of the subcontractor. Just type in the address here. If they have a one-line address, all you need to do is put in a dot or a period on address 2, and that should work. And you should also put in the city, the state, and the zip code. Once you have all these information, you can click on add subs, and that will automatically add the subcontractor into the skill signal system and onto your project. That's it on how to add a new subcontractor. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. Bye bye.